Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I wanted to show you one feature within Amazon app. It's called Rufus, which is your AI powered assistant in which will help you in shopping. So let's ask Rufu various questions. So I'm asking Rufu, I want a leather jacket similar to NVIDIA CEO. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. So I have mentioned I want a leather jacket similar to NVIDIA CEO. So NVIDIA CEO jacket is a stylish and high quality jacket often worn by Jensen Huang, the company's founder and CEO. While I cannot recommend an exact replica, here are some great options. So based on a few options that is available here, it is recommending some of the options. So I can see this one. So let's look at this. Okay, so this is one option I see here. So now I'll ask various questions to it. So I'm asking how many pockets does it have? So this is based on this one that you see here, not based on the one that you see in that screen. So based on this information that is there, it is giving me the results. So this is for this jacket. So let me open that. Okay, 1 second. Now if you see, so let's get into another jacket. Let's see. Now if you see this one, I can ask various questions like where is Rufus? Yeah. How many pockets does it have? So this is based on the previous option. Now if you want to go back to this one and try to get information for this one, then I'll have to again open this Rufus chat. So it can also take audio input. Turn on microphone. So the reviews indicate a mixed opinion on the product. So it's not very clear whether it is telling about the product that is on the screen. The reviews indicate mixed opinion. So let me ask one more question to make it sure. So unable to find the cost of the product and then provide an information. Product cost information is typically not included in the product details, which is not right? So the cost information is mentioned here. So let's try something else with Rufus. So it is meant to be good, but it's not giving the delivered result. That's what we find till now. So let's look at some of the, that's why they call it in beta stage, I guess. So this is based on this product. Take a look at these suggestions. What does customers say? So it is recommending us what we should ask. So if you ask those questions, it is giving good results. But if you try to ask something on our own, then it is giving not that great response. So let me ask. So this is the question that I asked. What are the different various color options that is available? So it's saying brown, gray, tan, white. So what are the various color options available? So it's giving mixed opinions. So it's saying mention the following color options are available. Okay, let's look at the color options here on the page and see. Does it offers okay, it offers blue, black, and one more type of black. So it doesn't offer gray. So I don't know what this answer is based on. So yeah, that is the unbiased review of Rufus in Amazon. You can actually use it to summarize the reviews from rather than scrolling through all the reviews. So in that way it is useful. But if you try to ask something deep dive into questions, it is not giving the result in the way that we want. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.